In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to find underrated countries fast and easy. Google Trends is a powerful tool that helps you discover what the world is searching for, making it particularly useful for identifying hidden gems in the realm of travel destinations. So let's dive into the process that will guide you in uncovering these lesser-known but promising places. To start, you'll first need to navigate over to Google and type Google Trends into the search bar. Once the results appear, go ahead and click on the first link you see. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage, a hub filled with lots of insightful data that's just waiting to be explored. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Explore button and give it a click. This is your gateway to deep dive into various data trends. Now it's time to type in a keyword that you're interested in. Think of travel-oriented terms such as beach vacations, digital nomad destinations, adventure tourism, or even eco-friendly travel. These keywords will help tailor your search to find trends related to specific travel themes. After you've entered your chosen keyword, simply hit Enter and watch as Google Trends pulls up data related to your topic of interest. From this point, you have the option to broaden your insights by comparing multiple topics. Look for the plus compare feature, which allows you to add anywhere from 2 to 5 related keywords. This feature is incredibly useful as it lets you see which countries show interest in more than one topic, offering you a well-rounded view of potential travel hotspots. Now, pay attention to the Interest by Region section. This is where you can really start identifying underrated locations. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for countries that have a moderate to rising interest in the topics you're exploring. These might be regions that aren't immediately apparent, but show signs of growing popularity. Such places often have untapped potential, making them ideal candidates for your travel plans. To fine-tune your search even more, return to the plus compare function. By adding multiple keywords again and analyzing countries that consistently appear interested across different topics, you'll be able to prioritize countries that might not be an apparent choice at first glance, but are filled with untapped travel opportunities. Finally, wrap up your exploration by scrolling to the Related Topics and Related Queries sections. Here you can get a sense of what rising searches are happening in these countries, which can provide great content ideas like best hikes in Montenegro, and also spot consistently searched items, which may guide further research or travel preparations. So that's how you use Google Trends to unearth those underrated gems in the world of travel. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be set to plan exciting trips to new destinations that are off the beaten path but buzzing with potential.